mistake about it. 'Cause the little things certainly mean so much to me.
Yeah. Check it. Hey yo, the lights that be shining ain't gonna be shining forever. And the old timers out there ain't gonna be grinding forever. Take care of your niggas, the ones who riding whatever. Cause loyalty hard to keep, especially in these streets. The message is hard to read, so sit back and listen. And whether you decide to take it, that's on you, pimpin'. Nigga, I ain't nobody special, I just got a vision. And through my music, tryna help you niggas view it, listen. Talking about poverty is play, but see, I spin it different. I'm rapping about personal issues and hoping y'all feel it. I take a beat, kill it. I rap about feelings, I rap about love and love, and hopes that I feel it. But while I'm sitting in this chair alone, all I'll ever need in life is just my family, dog. They been through every obstacle, and when they have it, that just means that they were mine. But even when they were against me, still they helped the nigga climb. At first I thought they didn't help, but in my mind I rewind and realize they did everything that they could at that time. And that's why I do everything that I do for them. My blood is my motivation, that's why I move this pen. And to be honest, it's been a couple of years since I really wrote, but even in it's FOE because of every note. Family over everything, nigga, that's what I meant. Polished up my pebbles and discovered they was diamonds. This rhyming, executed flawless, hope to shine in. And mix that work ethic with some impeccable timing. Ain't no stressing cause I'm in position, planning my great escape if my opportunity missing. Wishing these people see me cause of me and not cause nothing else. Never selling out for nothing, keep me on that shelf. But that's cool, only getting better with time I do. We'll be serving life if killing beasts was a crime I do. When I write, I be wondering what this line might do. Provoke my audience to think out of the box. Or knock a bad chick out of her socks. Or maybe catch a dreadhead slipping and spin that Rastafarian out his locks. Yo, niggas say I got dope, got flow, barking like a dog. Natural, I chase that got dope. Never trying to peek, I'm just finding out my plot slow. Need a bad chick, about as thick as that pot smoke. Lines like I got coke, listen instead of sniffing. And every fan is doped up, nigga, that's my mission. Cooking up classes, the lab is by the kitchen. Outsiders hate the formula, they mad they wasn't with it. Okay, planked it, we maintain it. You ain't Nathan, got to pack it up flow, sending y'all on vacation. Pray to God for strength and he told me to stay patient. And if you do it right, the doubters, they gon' stay hating. I'm on my gang, got my Nikes on my PlayStation. Ain't nowhere to run, nigga, ain't no safe haven. It's just me and the Smite and this phone that I be writing in. I'm making music like my own kind of Viking did. And every instrumental sorta like a vitamin. And every time I listen, man, I'm like a popping in. Hey yo, prescribe, so I take it every day. Never mind what y'all niggas gotta say, I'm doing this for me. Yeah, I said I'm doing this for me. Messed up on there, I ain't tripping, nigga. Yeah, what up?